want to be your husband. My mother from Paris will call you.
I already had something to do with your friend. I can't have something to do with two friends. No, it can't work. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Yeah. I can't. I'm sorry. I can't do this.
What do you want? Car? House?
Yo, what's up, people? This is your boy Ben Cash, and today I'm out here with...
My name is Anthony.
Mr. Anthony. As you know, we are the truth and nothing but the truth. So, Mr. Anthony here is new here in Nigeria. Not like new. He has been in Nigeria for like how many months?
I'm here since 3 months.
3 months.
I was here in the past, but I'm here. I live in the past few years ago.
Okay. And you've been here before?
Yeah, before. Okay. Yes, I grew up here, but I went to Paris to continue school and so on.
Okay. So he come from all the way from Paris and now in Nigeria. He said he has been in Nigeria for like 3 months, and there's this girl he met. I want him to talk for himself.
Please, Mr. Ben Cash, I'm here to beg you to help me. Je veux que tu m'aides. I saw one girl 2 months ago, and I saw her in the party. Okay. And when I saw her, I love her. Lagos? In this Lagos, yes. You see, Lagos. When I saw her, I love her immediately. Okay. I don't know. She don't want me again. Elle ne me veut plus. Je comprends pas. I don't understand.
She doesn't want you again?
Yes.
Did you do anything bad to her? Did you wrong her?
No. She told me that she loved another person. And she told me that she cheated on me with my best friends.
She told you she cheated on you?
Yes.
With your best friend?
With my best friends. What is that? Oh my God.
Mr. Anthony, calm down. If she cheated on you with your boyfriend, your best friend, like you said, why are you the one begging?
Mr. Ben Cash, I love her too much. I love
You're
her
not supposed
too
to beg.
much.
She cheated on you.
But what's the problem? It was a mistake. C'était une erreur. I love her. Please help me to... I want to be with her. Please.
This is difficult, Mr. Anthony.
Whatever you want, I will give you.
No, this is not even about the money right now. This is not the money. See, I am doing these videos, people are saying online, because I just want to help people and not really because of the money. Okay? And I will tell you the truth. She cheated on you, and she said she doesn't want to do it again, probably because she cheated on you with your best friend. Why don't you just let her go?
It was a mistake. I want to speak with her. I call her. She didn't pick my call. I want you to come with me and go and speak with her. Please, Mr. Ben Cash, it's your job. Help me, please.
Okay, calm down, Mr. Anthony. Okay, guys, stay tuned. This is difficult, but let's see how it turns out, because another thing I feel like, let's go to the car. I feel like because you're not from this country and you don't know how things they go. I not just want make you go for wrong hand. That's why I'm doing this. I'm trying to protect you, because now they get cheat on you and she told you. Okay, go inside the car. Let's go to our place. You have our address.
We say it in French. Le cœur n'a pas de caméra. Heart doesn't have a camera. Please help me, Mr. Ben Cash.
Do you know our house?
Yes, we will go there. I know the
Let's
place.
go. Get into the car.
Mr. Ben Cash, this is her house.
Okay.
Yes, ça c'est sa maison. Je reconnais les portails.
Okay, please let me be the one to call her. Put her number here.
Okay.
What's her name?
Her name is Gloria.
Hello.
Yeah.
Good afternoon. How are you? Am I on to Miss Gloria?
Yes.
Okay. This is Emmanuel, and I have a package for you.
Oh, sorry.
The person said you see the name when you collect the package. So I'm outside your gate, number 15, Falaki Street, right?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm outside your gate.
Okay, I'm coming. I'm kind of busy right now, but I'm coming.
Alright, please, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Benchcash.
She says
so much.
She says she's coming out.
Merci beaucoup. Oh my God. She's the person.
Okay, she's out.
Yes.
Okay, now come, let's go. I think she's trying to call me. Okay. She's the one calling. Hold on. Okay, come. Yeah, I'm Ben. Good afternoon.
So what's going on here?
Calm down. You know this person, right?
Yeah, I
Please come.
S'il te plaît, je me laisse pas tomber.
Wait.
do. I don't understand what's going on here.
Give me
please.
Gloria, please.
You're Gloria.
I love
Yeah,
you.
I'm Gloria.
Why are you saying you don't understand? You don't know him.
I do know him, but what's...
S'il te plaît. Don't leave me. You are my wife. I want to marry you.
Anthony, I already told you, I already explained everything to you. It can't work between the both of us.
Gloria, please come close. First of all, he said you cheated on him.
Yes, I did, and I already explained everything to him already. So
You cheated on him with who?
his best friend.
It was a mistake. Gloria. I love you.
Mr. Anthony, you
I
cannot be
know,
telling her it's a mistake. Let her talk for herself. Are you going to let her talk for herself? So, okay, I want to ask you, how did that happen? Why did you cheat on your boyfriend with his best friend?
It's really not my mistake. It's really not my fault. It happened by mistake. I don't have anything to explain about.
See?
You don't have anything to explain about. Okay, now,
Maybe I'll say I was drunk, and he was not around. So
okay, listen to me. Listen to the way you're talking.
Je suis là.
Gloria, right? You said maybe you're not sure.
it happened by mistake. I was actually drunk that night.
Okay.
So it took me out on a date. So I didn't even know what happened. Seriously, I didn't know. It just happened, and I already told him it can't work.
So now,
between the both of us.
listen. Your boyfriend now is begging you that he doesn't mind, and you're saying you cannot continue.
I'm sorry, Anthony. It can't work. I feel so ashamed of myself.
Do you want? Qu'est-ce que tu veux? I have money.
I can't. I'm so sorry.
I want to be your husband. My
I know
mother
you
from
are.
Paris will call you.
I already had something to do with your friend. I can't have something to do with two friends. And no. It can't work.
was a
I'm sorry.
mistake.
I'm so sorry.
Gloria,
I
please.
can't.
S'il te
Okay.
plaît.
Gloria, sorry to ask you this. Do you have a boyfriend aside him?
No, I don't. I don't have any boyfriend.
You don't have anybody?
Yes.
Okay, can we work this out? But what is it exactly that is making you refuse this? Do not forget, you're supposed to be the one begging and not the other way around.
I can't. I already had something to do with his best friend. Like, it's so shameful. Like, can't you see?
Please.
What do you want people to see? Please, I
Gloria,
beg you.
I love
please.
you.
I can't.
I love
I'm
you.
Okay,
sorry.
Gloria,
believe
can I
in
beg
you.
you? Can I beg you? Can I beg you?
Okay.
Listen to me. Okay, I understand the way you're feeling, that you cannot be seeing him and you do not know how to look at the friend when you see him, right? Okay, now calm down. He said he loves you. If not me, normally, let me be blunt here. If not me, I will not come and beg you and I will not continue this relationship.
Good.
Mr. Anthony, will you please be calm? Please calm down. Now, you know normally, I don't know the way they do their thing for where he come from, say Paris or something. You know, if na Nigerian guy, he no go to beg you. Now he said he loves you and he doesn't mind whatever that happened, that he still wants you.
I can't. I'm sorry. I can't do this. I'm sorry, Anthony.
Please
I can't.
give me a second chance.
I can't.
Please.
I beg you.
She's not the one giving you second chance, Mr. Anthony.
I beg you. I can't.
You're the one that even supposed to give her a second chance.
Cheat on me. I'm here to beg him.
I can't.
Je suis là pour te supplier alors que c'est toi qui m'as trompé.
I can't. I'm sorry. I can't do this.
Okay, now listen. Can we go out? Maybe find somewhere to sit to talk about this proper.
Maybe I'll just think about it.
You think about when you'll be free.
Yeah. Right now I'm not free.
You're not free?
Yeah.
Okay. That's my number that called you. Yeah. Just call me whenever you're free. Yeah. Mr. Anthony.
Yes,
Mr. Anthony. Please calm down. Let's go.
What do you want? Car?
No.
House?
Mr. Anthony, calm down. Stop giving out this thing. Calm down. What did you say you met her in Lekki? What kind of area is this? Mr. Anthony.
Yes, Mr. Baker.
Calm down, Mr. Anthony, now. You're still telling her you want to give her a car, you want to give her a house. Mr. Anthony, calm down.
Okay. I love her, you know. She has something special.
I never seen something like this before. You met her just 3 months.
Yes.
Abi, she use anything for you?
3 months is too much now. It's too much. 3 months. It's too much.
Okay, I told her to call me. Or maybe later when we get to the house. When I get home, I'll call her.
I cannot live without her. I love her too much. Tell her.